Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Ford Fusion SE, stock number B9796P. Only 48,000 miles on this Fusion, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, sterling gray metallic in color. Fusion is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe, and your insurance costs down. It's in the midsize car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with customizable dash on both sides. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large My Ford Touch infotainment system with dual zone automatic climate control with heated front seats, great for those cold winter days, radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
For hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the ownership inside. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.